Hey, you guys, we've got something fun to show you today, so you might just want to stick around. Well, welcome back, you guys, and a big welcome to those of you if you're new here. You've landed at DeeVine Design, and you never know what's going to pop up on this channel. Last night, if you happen to catch us for a late night live sitting out by the fire, remember that, Mr. Rose?
Oh, yes.
Then we told you we would do our best to bring you over to Angell and Phelps today, the chocolate factory in Daytona Beach. So come on, what are we waiting for? Let's get inside. Mr. Rose, you excited about this?
Excited.
Yeah, let's go do it. There it is, you guys. Angell and Phelps Chocolate Factory. This is what it looks like from the outside. Sitting here right downtown. Oh yes, here we are, you guys. All right, so we are inside a little bit of heaven on earth. I'm gonna walk you around and show you. They've given me permission to film in here, and check it out. We got here just in time for a tour. We didn't even know it, and they said we can film the tour for you too. So let's just turn this camera around and do this thing. And look there, they don't leave out the little fur babies. Chocolate, dog-friendly chocolate. You know it. Look at that, you guys. Oh, check it out. John 3:16. So those famous chocolate-covered potato chips. And looky here. They've got it in white chocolate and, for those who are trying to be a wee bit healthier, dark chocolate.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Angell and Phelps. My name is Faye. I'm your guide, and we're going to explore all the different things we're making in our factory. As you can see, we have some of our pecan brittle. Yummy. Now we made our pecan brittle back there in that copper pot. Marble takes on the room temperature. All of our rooms back here are set at 60 degrees with 50% humidity. We call them chocolate weather. We also make our caramels for our honeybees. Honeybees are turtles. They trademarked the name turtle on us. Told us, y'all can't call them turtles anymore. And we said, fine, we'll just call them honeybees. Which has nothing to do with honey or the bees. It is pecans and caramel and chocolate. We also offer macadamia nut and cashew. And can y'all guess what we bake in our oven?
Bacon.
Yes, we bake bacon in the oven, and we chocolate covered bacon. Oh yes. And that was a special request by a guest 6 years ago. And when the gentleman walked in and requested for us to make the chocolate covered bacon, little did we realize he was going to order 2,000 pieces.
Wow.
Yeah. Well, he started us running and we haven't stopped running since. It's 6 years later and we sell between 7,000 and 8,000 pounds of chocolate-covered bacon a year. We outsell the local restaurants and bacon sales. We put chocolate on ours. It is our #2 bestseller, though it's not #1. #1 is chocolate-covered potato chips. Our enrobing line is where we put it all in chocolate, whether we're doing potato chips or pretzels or nut clusters or cordial cherries or gummy bears or Twinkies or Rice Krispie treats or Oreo cookies or pretzels or pretzel rods. If you see it in the store, it has chocolate on it. This is how we put the chocolate on it. Our whole enrobing process takes 20 minutes from the very beginning all the way to the end. You can see he places each and every one of our almond butter crunch onto what we call our bottomer. And that covers the bottom completely in chocolate. It cruises down the conveyor belt, runs to the chocolate falls, and we take our almonds that we have crushed, get our scoop and sprinkle almonds on it, and then in some cooling tunnel it will go, yummy! Now that machine over there is dripping out chocolate. It looks like a faucet with no handles on it. This is our cream press. It's an original 1930 hand-driven cream press. It's how we get all of our creams into the little shape that they are. We'll take that big ball of cream and we'll drop it inside and we'll close the lid. The handle and lid, they're attached. And once you start cranking the handle, as the lid starts to go down, starts pressing 48 creams out of the bottom of that machine. If we make it here, we wrap it here, we package it here. We don't have special machines for any of our wrapping or our packaging. Everything is wrapped by hand. And you can see that Miss Judy, she's over there with those Christmas trees. And she's gonna wrap each and every one in a little cellophane bag, twist the bottom shut, and put tape around it so it's sealed. We also make our cinnamon glazed nuts. We do almonds, cashews, and pecans. We make them here, we sell them behind the counter because that's where the warmer is. And everybody knows that the cinnamon glazed nuts are amazing when they're warm. We also do specialty chocolates. We do birthdays, anniversaries, baby showers, weddings. Whatever's going on in your life, we can make you chocolate. It is sample time, oh yay! We have potato chips and pretzels and caramels. Ooh,
I'm gonna
stuff.
do the potato chip and the cherry.
Oh, I don't have any cherries. I have caramels, honeybees, pretzels, and bacon.
Caramel will be good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes.
This was our lovely tour guide, Faye. You did a fantastic job.
Thank you. Hi.
You guys ship all over the
We ship
the U.S.
coast to coast throughout the continental United States.
Okay, I want to try the bacon, and I'll do one of your honeybees.
Awesome.
Thank you very much.
Bacon and honeybee. Enjoy.
Thank you. All right, you guys take a look at this bacon. Here, hold mine, Steve, for a second. This is the bacon. It's got the chocolate. Yes. So good. She said they sell more bacon from here than all the local restaurants. I believe it. That's so good. Take a bite of that potato chip and show it. Stays hard and crunchy inside. I do not know how they do it, but they do it where it stays fresh and crisp and just delicious. Now, let's finish taking a look around. I don't really want the sugar-free, but somebody might. What is it?
Chocolate covered Rice Krispie, white chocolate.
With the, yeah, because you like white chocolate the best, don't
Yes.
Check out these specialty chocolates, you guys. You can get a flip-flop, a little foot, an anchor. Check all of this cool stuff out. Oh, look at there for a baby shower. Little pineapples. A little shark. The bride and groom pretzel sticks, you guys. Aren't those adorable? So much cute stuff you can have specialized here. Whatever kind of party you're throwing, birthdays, weddings, baby showers, you name it, they can do it. And there you go, guys. They've even got the sugar, cinnamon, almonds, and let's see what else they've got. It looks like the pecans, the cashews. Yes. All right, look here, you guys. For breakfast, you can have bacon and eggs. Very well-rounded breakfast, if you ask me. So we got some goodies.
Chocolate.
What all did we get? Chocolate covered chips.
Chocolate covered pretzels. Chocolate covered sponge something or another.
Cherries.
Cherries.
The bacon.
The apple.
Cinnamon almonds.
Yep. That's it.
We're
That was
gluttons.
enough.
Yeah, we're gonna turn the camera around and show you what all we got. These are the cinnamon almonds. Show them what they look like. Oh. All right, what else did we get?
Pretzels.
Pretzels. Show them what that looks like. Ah, DeeVine.
Potato chips.
Oh yes, you have to get a bag of the potato chips. That's one of their famous signature pieces. What was this one called? Seafoam?
Seafoam candy.
It's called seafoam candy, but whenever you bite into that, it's like a gigantic malted milk ball. It is so good. A caramel apple. Of course, I had to get me a slice of that bacon. You know it.
Chocolate covered cherry.
Bite into that and let's see if that is like the clear center. It's supposed to be. It's supposed to be like the Cellas.
Does a little bit.
Oh yes. So do you like it? This is the first time we've had one from here.
Got a lot of chocolate.
It's got a lot of chocolate. You're of a less chocolate kind of guy, more cherry, huh? Yeah. Let me taste mine. So here we go, because you guys know how much I love the Cellas. Look at that. It is definitely the juicy clear center. She said they let them rest for 5 days before they do anything with them. But there's definitely a thick wall of chocolate. Can you guys see that? Yeah, so if you don't like as much chocolate, you're gonna like the Cellas better. But I like these because I love a lot of chocolate. So those are very good. That was a nice little surprise. I forgot they had the cherries here. Nice. That was very fun, wasn't it? I always love to come here.
It was cool.
Yeah, always love to come here. So, we've got a special offer for you guys.
We do. A giveaway.
A giveaway. That's right. So tell the good folks what they're going to get. We're going to pick randomly one of you from the comments down below and tell them what they'll get.
A full half of a pound chocolate covered potato chips and a quarter of a pound of chocolate covered bacon.
Yeah, so you guys can see what all the hoopla is about. You taste it once and I think you're gonna love it. Of course, I don't know. You haven't been won over to the bacon yet.
Bacon, no.
But you have been won over to the chips.
Yep.
Yeah, so one of you will get a taste of both. So comment down below and let's see, what do we want them to tell us? Like what their favorite chocolate candy is, maybe?
Yeah, that'd be good.
All right, comment down below and tell us what your all-time favorite chocolate candy is. And then we're gonna choose randomly from all of those comments one of you. How long do we wanna leave this open? Today is Thursday. Maybe we should close this Sunday night at midnight?
That's perfect.
All right, we'll close it Sunday night at midnight. What's that date? The 3rd?
I don't know.
Today's the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. All right, November 4th, Sunday night, midnight, Eastern Standard Time. This will close and we'll announce the winner on Monday. Yeah, I'm super excited. I'm gonna have their website listed for you down below and take a look here. Your first online order is gonna get you a 10% savings. You gotta use the code SWEET. So I'll put that down there for you below. Check them out online. Place your order, save your 10%, and hey, just in time for the holidays.
That's right.
Yeah, all right. Thank you guys for taking the tour with us. We'll see you soon in another video.